How to connect Hamster Kombat to Ton wallet. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Hamster Kombat to Ton wallet. For that, first of all, you need to make sure you have access to your Keeper wallet account. Now once you have done that, open your Telegram application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, from here you need to find Hamster Kombat. You may also use the search icon at the top and there type in Hamster Kombat. Once you find the Hamster Kombat, tap on it to open it. And here once you reach to this page, at the bottom left you will find play button. Tap on this icon and then you will reach to the Hamster Kombat. Here wait until the page loads and once it loads, you will see the airdrop icon at the bottom right. Tap on this icon and then here you need to tap on this withdrawal option next to points. Once you tap on withdrawal, here you will find the button connect your Ton wallet. Go ahead and tap on this connect your Ton wallet and here again you need to tap on connect your Ton wallet. Once you tap on it, now you can select the Ton wallet from the bottom. You may also tap on this open wallet in Telegram button right here and select your wallet from there. But if you want to select the application from the bottom, you may tap on this Keeper application. Once you tap on it, you will be asked to confirm it. Tap on this connect wallet button at the very bottom and here use your passcode. Once you have successfully entered your passcode, you will return back to this page. Here again tap on this play icon at the bottom left and here you will see your Ton wallet is successfully connected to Hamster Kombat. So by following these steps, you should be able to connect Ton wallet to Hamster Kombat. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.